AI is transforming food production. Robots, smart sensors, and algorithms now drive efficiency, quality, and safety. While automation reduces waste and boosts precision, it also reshapes jobs, raising questions about the human touch in food making. One thing is certain, AI isn't just changing how we produce food, it's redefining its future. Artificial intelligence in food processing factories. A chaotic pile of chicken pieces moves down the production line. Irregular, unpredictable, impossible for traditional machines to sort efficiently. At the heart of this transformation is Occipital AI's vision system, an advanced combination of hardware and software that brings human-like decision-making to robotics. The AI scans each piece in real time, analyzing its shape, position, and size with incredible accuracy. Within milliseconds, it sends precise instructions to the Staubli PS2SCARA robots. These high-speed, food-safe robotic arms then pick, sort, and place the chicken pieces into trays with surgical precision. Unlike traditional automation, which relies on repetitive, pre-programmed actions, AI-driven vision technology learns from each batch. If the arrangement of food changes, the system instantly adjusts, ensuring seamless operation without the need for human intervention. At a pizza-making facility, robotic arms take over the assembly process, spreading sauce with an artisan's touch, precise enough to ensure every slice has consistent flavor. These robots aren't mindlessly following instructions. They're adjusting pressure, speed, and motion dynamically based on real-time sensory feedback. Once the toppings are placed, another robotic arm gently lifts the uncooked pizza and slides it into the oven with seamless precision, making real-time adjustments to guarantee a perfectly golden crust every time. Looking ahead, AI's role in food processing will only deepen. Future AI models will not only identify individual pieces, but also assess quality, detect abnormalities, and even predict shelf life based on real-time analysis. Advanced robotics will work alongside AI to autonomously trim, debone, and portion different cuts of meat with precision previously unseen. Long before the first slice of cheese ever moved through the system, KUKA Sim played a crucial role in bringing this project to life. The simulation software allowed engineers to refine the concept before a single piece of machinery was built. In the dairy section of the factory, large blocks of cheese, Gouda, Edam, cheddar, move toward an advanced slicing system. Groba's high-precision cutting equipment is designed to handle various cheese types with accuracy down to the millimeter. 2 KUKA robotic arms, built specifically for food-safe environments, take over. These robots are engineered with washdown capability and food-grade lubricants, ensuring strict hygiene standards are met. With seamless coordination, they cut and portion each cheese block while AI-powered software continuously adjusts cutting speeds, angles, and pressure based on real-time data. Then, they take these cheese sticks and put them into a packaging machine. This is the new standard, an operation that maximizes yield, minimizes waste, and ensures a level of consistency that human labor simply cannot match. But the future holds even more possibilities. AI-driven cheese processing will soon incorporate predictive algorithms to optimize storage conditions, reducing spoilage before it even begins. Smart vision systems will assess moisture levels, fat content, and texture, automatically adjusting processing parameters to ensure the perfect cut for every type of cheese. High-speed vision sensors, paired with deep learning algorithms, scan every single unit in real time. These systems detect even the slightest imperfections, contaminants, incorrect portion sizes, irregular shapes. Anything that doesn't meet specifications is instantly flagged and removed. In the future, AI will go even further, integrating with blockchain technology to provide full traceability. Consumers will be able to scan a product and instantly access data on its origin, production process, and quality checks, fostering greater transparency and trust in the food supply chain. As products near the end of the production line, AI ensures that packaging and logistics operate with flawless efficiency. Conveyor belts move rows of neatly packed food toward automated boxing stations, where robotic arms work with speed and accuracy, placing items into shipping containers. Then comes distribution. In a fully automated warehouse, AI-powered robots sort, stack, and load products onto pallets with perfect precision. AI-driven logistics management optimizes shipping schedules, ensuring that deliveries reach retailers at peak freshness while reducing transportation costs. The future of AI in food distribution will push efficiency even further. AI will predict demand based on real-time sales data, adjusting inventory and shipping schedules automatically to prevent shortages and food waste. Autonomous delivery vehicles guided by AI-powered logistics networks will soon streamline transportation, reducing costs and environmental impact. Artificial intelligence in restaurants and food service.
No, wait.
Behind the scenes, something remarkable is happening. The moment an order is placed, the system doesn't just register it, it orchestrates an entire kitchen, driven by AI and robotics working in perfect harmony. A robotic kitchen assistant springs into action. Metal arms, equipped with high-speed dexterity, maneuver with precision, handling tasks once reliant on human hands. For deep-fried items, an AI-powered fry cook, something akin to Flippy 2, moves baskets of frozen fries and onion rings into bubbling oil with practiced efficiency. The AI tracks cooking time down to the second, ensuring every batch emerges golden and crisp. A calculated shake, a precise flip of the basket, and the fries land in a tray, perfectly cooked every time. Across the kitchen, AI-driven cooking stations tackle burgers with the same level of precision. A computer vision system scans each patty, measuring thickness, temperature, and moisture content, determining the exact moment for the perfect flip. Sensors embedded in the grill continuously adjust heat levels, maintaining consistency in ways that even the most experienced human chefs would struggle to match. The future of AI in fast food will see even greater autonomy. Fully robotic cooking stations will integrate advanced haptic feedback sensors, allowing machines to feel food texture, adjusting cooking times and techniques dynamically. AI-powered frying stations will use predictive algorithms to adjust cooking times based on ambient humidity and ingredient quality, ensuring flawless results in any condition. At self-service cafes, robotic baristas operate like seasoned professionals. A robotic arm moves fluidly through the process, grinding beans, steaming milk, pouring with precision. The AI-controlled system adjusts the pour angle and speed to create intricate patterns, ensuring that every cup is as aesthetically pleasing as it is delicious. But AI's role in the restaurant doesn't stop at cooking and assembly. One of its biggest advantages? Hygiene and maintenance. AI doesn't forget to clean surfaces, doesn't rush through sanitation steps, and doesn't take shortcuts when the kitchen gets busy. High-pressure water jets rinse cooking stations. Future kitchens will be equipped with fully autonomous self-repairing machinery. AI will not only detect wear and tear, but initiate automated repairs, deploying robotic maintenance arms to fix minor issues without human intervention. AI-powered waste management systems will optimize recycling, tracking ingredient usage to minimize food waste, and automatically adjusting portion sizes based on real-time demand predictions. Bear Robotics introduced a game changer in restaurant automation, the Servi food service robot. Navigating busy restaurants with ease, Servi is fully autonomous, using advanced sensors and multiple built-in cameras to move safely and efficiently through tight spaces.